Date palm, scientific name Phoenix dactylifera, family Ericaceae, cultivated for its edible sweet fruit. Hi there, welcome back. Here we are, and today I bring what we call going back to the basics. I'm sure you're all aware that date palm species is widely cultivated across northern Africa, the Middle East, the Horn of Africa, and South Asia. And now it's time for us to grow some of our own. The place I stay in is Dubai, and you cannot go on more than 100 meters without spotting a date palm tree. So it's that common in this part of the world. You ready? Let's begin. And yes, please hit that subscribe button. Fossil records show that the date palm has existed for at least 50 million years. So we are witnessing something superlative here. This project ran for 6 months, from flowering to fruit ripening and then harvesting. The fruit color, as you would notice, goes from green to red to brown to dark brown in a span of 3-4 months. How amazing, really. First it was crunchy, then the crunchy open, then soft outer skin, and finally soft. Now, you can start them in water as I have done it, or you can start them in soil using 80% sand and 20% garden soil. The soil should be nutrient filled and should retain moisture, as these trees are heavy feeders. So if you let them be in a pot, they'll stay small but look as beautiful as they would in a field. So yes, get on with it. Next time you consume dates, don't throw away the seeds. You were a great company. I thank you for your time. I would love to hear from you. Suggestions, feedback, questions, anything really. Just reach out. Take care. I'll be back with another video soon. Goodbye.